Yo, Eddie Wynn back up in the building, and today, back up in the building. No, can't be doing all that. Back up in the building? Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I've got a bunch of spring pickups for you. There's actually a good amount of menswear in here. I got a pickup from Everlane and J.Crew. J.Crew, I kind of went ham on a sale that they were having. So I'm gonna show that stuff to you guys now. I also got a couple of sneaker pickups, something from PacSun. A lot of good stuff here. None of it I've checked out, so I'm gonna unbox it, unbag it. We're gonna do that here, and as we prepare for spring, you know that spring lookbook is coming, spring essentials, top 10 or top 5 affordable sneakers for the spring. So there's gonna be a lot of great content on the way. Here's where we're starting with these pickups. Let's do it. As I do every season, and just a little reminder for you guys, if you have stuff that you're not wearing, sell it. Post it on eBay, put it on Grailed, do whatever. Donate it, give it to a friend. That always makes room for the new stuff. Where are we going first? This is from PacSun, and I'm gonna hold off on that because I actually really wanna, what do I wanna do first here? I don't really know. Let's get into a pair of shoes because, I don't know, I got 2 pairs in from Nike. I'm not sure if these are what I think they are. I got a pair of Jordans, and then I also got a pair of Air Max that were on sale. Not sure which is which, but let's check these out first. Okay, these can't be the, they're the Air Max. Was not expecting this box. We've got an old school Nike box, but that is very much appreciated. They got the throwback style. Why does that have, that's interesting. I don't know anything about these shoes. So this is the Nike Air Max Triax 96, throwback style box, and then it says Nike SB on the side. I don't know. This is a little weird. Here are the shoes. That's the most important thing, right? What the shoes look like. And I thought I actually got the the red and black colorway because I was deciding between the two. And oh no, here's what happened. I was gonna buy the black and the red colorway because it was the cheapest. It was on sale, and I kind of just wanted to check these things out. Then Nike had another sale that dropped these things down to like 70 bucks. And I was gonna do a fresh kicks for cheap, but I didn't know how they were gonna be. But anyway, who cares about all that? Here are the shoes, Nike Air Max Triax 96, and I gotta say I like them right out of the gate, especially for what I paid, 70 bucks. I'll link these for you guys down in the description. There's a couple colorways, certainly spring appropriate with the royal blue and the white, and then obviously it has that vintage throwback style that I don't remember these. I'm not like a shoe connoisseur where I remember all these shoes from back in the day, and if that discredits me, so be it. One thing I do want to know right away is how these things fit, because I went with my true size, which is an 11.5, and I think that's what I got in these. Please tell me these are an 11.5, and I'm not just talking out of my ass. Yeah, 11.5, and got my Sauconys on today. You know, a little St. Patty's Day vibe going. Yep, true to size. It's a little bit snug around the toe area, but I don't think it's worth going up a half a size. Nice shoe though. Like, these things kind of have that lacing system like a 95 does, and these being a 96, I guess that kind of makes sense. Also, it comes with arch support. That's cool, and not something you see that often, and I don't know if I'll need that or not, but I like a little something extra, options, you know. Okay, next let's get into these pants that I got from PacSun, and I had been eyeing these for a while, and I saw someone rocking a pair, and I was like, what kind of pants are those? So I don't know exactly what these are called, and actually, I'm not even sure if these are gonna be my style. This is me taking a risk and kind of going back in style a little bit to, like, I don't know, early 2000s when these were popular, where there's a little bit of a draw cord down at the bottom of the pants, and they're cargos. So yeah, it's been a while since I've rocked a pair of cargo pants. I'll tell you this, these do have jogger pant vibes, and I'm not back on that bandwagon yet. A lot of you may be, that's all good. If you like joggers, wear them. Who cares what I say? Me, I'm just not there yet. Not really there yet. Here's where I stand. Jogger sweatpants with like the elastic cuff or Nike Tech Fleece pants, those are great. Still wear those. They're sweatpants. They give off a little bit of a different look than true joggers do. When I think of joggers, I think of like Kith Mercer pants, and I'm just not ready to rock those style pants yet. Something like this though, it's different with the draw cord. Can't really tell if there's a cuff there or not. And the cargos are gonna be something that I'm trying a little bit differently. These are also lightweight, which is perfect for the springtime. Me, I'm in denim and lightweight pants until at least May. Because, I mean, there's gonna be some hot days in between there where I'll go with the hoodie short combo, maybe even pull off a tee, but in the Northeast, it's still pretty chilly. Even though today's nice, it's like, I don't know, it was 55, close to 60, but it's not shorts and t-shirt weather just yet. And I push it, I ride it out, because I love my hoodies, I love my pants, and summer's a long season, so I try not to go shorts and tees. I don't rush it, you know, like I'll have plenty of time to wear that stuff. Okay, next up, we're gonna get into this J.Crew package, and this is the wild card out of everything. They were having some crazy sale, and I also like their spring offering this year. I have no clue how any of this stuff fits. I have no clue about the quality. Just a lot of variables with this package, and let's check it out. All right, so we got, I think, like 5 different things. And if you are looking for a good deal right now, I'm telling you, the J.Crew sale, I'll link it for you guys down in the description. Good place. So I got 4 different things, apparently. This shirt was dumb cheap. So cheap. And this is something that I'll wear. Wow, this is great. This was $11. And it's just like this buffalo plaid button-up shirt. This is a slim fit size large, and that was the risk I was willing to take because it was the only size that they had. Sometimes in these, you know, Oxford type shirts, I am an XL, but flannels, I'm usually a large. So I took a risk. Classic checkered buffalo pattern right here. This shirt right here will never go out of style. It's the same as like a white Oxford. J.Crew has been pumping out button-up shirts forever. It's kind of a reliable place to buy shirts like that. And they also offer reviews. So if you're gonna buy a shirt, I always check the reviews to see what people say about it. This one is a little bit more interesting and definitely spring appropriate. That's probably what I was thinking when I went ahead and grabbed it. It's navy with a red floral print, size large. Why does it say short though? That's not good. Is this gonna be short on me? Like, what's up? I don't know if this one's gonna work or not. This is gonna be something good to wear like underneath a blazer, something a little bit more formal, but you want it to be fun. This polo though, I know I'm excited about. See, this is just another classic shirt. I thought the collar matching the cuff around the arm is just like a nice classy look. And I don't know if this came from a store because it's unbuttoned, but my OCD is killing me. Wear this untucked with some like navy denim, or tuck it in, wear like some khakis with it, something like that. And then these are definitely something I was excited to get in, and they look great. If you go on their website, there's a bunch of different colors that they offer in these shorts, and these have that 6-inch inseam, so they're shorties. And I like to wear shorter shorts. You know, I used to wear long shorts. I used to be like, make sure they go past my knees. Not anymore. So they're short to give it that menswear look, but they're camo to give it that streetwear edge. Quality is actually really nice. Good solid waistband with a draw cord. This camo print is more of like a jungle print. Definitely like that. Moving right along to a pair of shoes that I am super excited about. And I think a lot of people thought these would be easier to get. Got a pair of Jordans here. The box is gonna give it away. You see that Carolina blue right there, man. Let me see these. So spring and summer appropriate. Wow, that leather is a lot better than I thought it was gonna be. Were these $190 and still they upped the leather? Well done, Jordan Brand. Well done. These look excellent. Very happy to have them. UNC's, obviously. But is there really any UNC stuff other than the colorway? No Nike Air on the back, totally okay with that. And then this embroidered Jumpman that's just puffy right there on the tongue. Man, these things are so nice. I don't have many shoes that have this sky blue on there, so very pumped to have these now. Won't talk about them long because you guys have seen them, and I have one more thing to get into. This is a package from Everlane. Went ahead and grabbed a few things, and honestly, I wasn't even gonna include them in this video because these are just kind of essentials that I wear a lot. I already have a pair of these pants, so I just gotta say this. Everlane, they package their stuff so nicely. Right on top, we've got this lightweight bomber jacket in like this slate gray color, and I own this bomber jacket in an olive, and I don't wear it that often just because the olive isn't the best color. It's like more of like an earth tone olive than like a forest green, if you know what I'm talking about. So I've been itching to get something different, and this is definitely a cooler color. It's not something you see very often where it's this gray with a little bit of a blue. And then I just got like this basic cotton sweater. I think this is their no sweat sweater. So it's not like it's cashmere. This is just the perfect spring essential. I know it's not flashy or cool to show in a video like this, but I wanna show you guys these essentials and basics that I wear often. Then I also got 2 pairs of pants, some khakis. This is their active, no, what is this? Yes, this is their, I believe that these are their active stretch chinos, and I'm sorry, I don't have the name on the top of my head, but they just dropped them. I'll link them for you guys down in the description. Everlane's great to buy basics at. This is not sponsored. I bought this stuff. Absolutely love these pants. I already copped them in a different color. That's why I'm including them in this video, because I've been wearing those and I'm like, all right, I need a few other colors. Their stuff is reasonably priced as well. I liked these because it's like this dark navy, super dark, and it's not gonna show much wear. This material is so nice. It's got a great stretch to it. The bottom is like in between a slim and a skinny fit. I bet you these are like 7 inches, 6.5, 7 inches. But when I was wearing them with shoes and sneakers, looks great. So if you need some new pants in your life that are lightweight to wear for this spring or this summer, check these out. So that is everything. Make sure you hit the thumbs up before you leave this video. Subscribe if you're new. A lot of spring content is on the way. If you want to see something in particular, leave it down in the comment section. I'd be happy to do a video based off something that you guys recommend. So keep it cool out there, stay fresh, shop some of these sales, and just be good to one another, because that's something that is also very important. I don't mention that enough in these videos, but be good to one another, be positive. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.